Ready to bridge the gap between Solana and Ethereum and diversify your crypto portfolio directly from your Phantom wallet. First, unlock your Phantom wallet on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for the swap icon located at the bottom of your screen. It's usually right in the middle. Tap it. Next, you'll see the swap interface. At the top, select Solana as the currency you want to send. Use the drop-down menu and find Solana from the list. Now, for the currency you want to receive, choose Ethereum in the Receive section. Again, using the drop-down menu. Enter the amount of Solana you want to swap for Ethereum. The estimated amount of Ethereum you'll receive will be displayed, along with any network fees associated with the transaction. Review all the details carefully. Make sure you're happy with the exchange rate and the fees, and then confirm the transaction. The swap will now be processed. This might take a few moments depending on network congestion, so be patient. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, you'll see your updated Ethereum balance in your Phantom wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully swapped Sol for it.